Some people like to be alone. They like to write. And this is really where you can start to get paid handsomely. Copywriting is the ability to sell to many people through written word. E-commerce companies, software companies, education companies, the list goes on and on. All of these companies have current existing customers or potential leads, and a lot of times they're just sitting there. And if you can start doing email marketing for them, or even for example, some copywriting for their Twitter page, you can very easily bring them in an extra 20K in revenue from people who already know, like, and trust them.
If you want to travel the world but have no money, I bring you the best shortcut, freelance copywriting. Here are 5 reasons why copywriting is the best job in the world. Number 1, it's timeless. Whether or not you're starting your own business or you want to work with clients, copywriting is not going anywhere. You'll always need to know how to persuade people through the power of words. Number 2, it gives you job freedom and flexibility. You can do it wherever and whenever you damn well please. All you need is a laptop. You can work with as many clients as you want and set your own hours. Number 3, every single business on the planet needs copywriting. There are over 200 million businesses around the world, and they all need writing to market their products and services. Number 4, it pays well. Brands and businesses all over the world are looking to pay good money to copywriters who can help them get their message out there. And number 5, it's a valuable skill for anyone to learn. It makes you a better communicator, it makes you better at your job, it makes you better at negotiating, and it makes you better at sales. So even if you don't want to become a freelance copywriter, copywriting is a skill that will definitely help you in your career.